Never existed bird. Birds bring out message, but this is the really truth about observation. Upstanding, one in the length on a stable place. When he observes, he can analyze, he can take as easy possible, he can think it over. And one who flies and only sees a fraction of what it is, only sees, but doesn't know nada. For that you have to observe, and you must take your time. You must stand on easy, upstanding, because upstanding is the real measure of the real definitive observation. What is space? How is space? Who has the most contact with space? Upstanding, length, people with length, and not with eagles. Not by flying there. They don't stand still. They don't have the possibility of thinking over what the truth about what they observe. It is impossible. And that's why. Birds may be messengers, but they are not all-knowing. Nobody is all-knowing. And if they were all-knowing in the past, because they didn't know that much as now. Now nobody knows all. Yes, and birds are animals, not more worth than that. Forget all that flies. They are not truth. They are not our messengers of science and other important things. Thank you for your attention.